Press Shift A, go to Mesh and create a plane. Go to its properties and align it to view. Press G to move the polygon here and press Alt Z for X-ray view. Let's go to edit mode and edit the plane. Select the vertices and move it like this. Select one of the vertices and press Ctrl Shift B to bevel the vertex like this. Press K and click on this edge and click on this other side edge. This will make a cut in between the polygon. Add one more cut here. Go to edge selection mode and select this edge and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge. Scroll down the mouse wheel to increase or decrease the edges. I am adding few more cuts here. Now go to polygon selection mode. Select the polygons. Press I and insert the polygons. And press S and scale it down like this. Now go to edge selection mode and select these edges and scale it up. Now go to polygon selection mode and select these polygons. Press I to insert them and press S and Z to scale it down on Z axis only. Press Alt Z to toggle between the solid view and the X-ray view. Press G and Y to move the polygons on Y axis. Spread the vertices and match with the reference image. Select these three polygons and let's delete it for a second. Now go to vertex selection mode and select the vertex and press Ctrl Shift B to bevel the vertex. Fill the empty area with the polygons. I am adding one more cut here. Now go to edge selection mode. Hold down Alt and click on this edge and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge. Now hold down Alt and Shift and select these edge loops. Press Ctrl E and select Mark Sharp. Press 3 to go to side view. Press G and Y and move the mesh on the Y axis. Now go to polygon selection mode and select these polygons. Press Alt E and extrude the polygon on normals. Now reselect these polygons. Press X and delete the faces. Select the entire loop and press F to fill with the polygon. Press I to insert the polygon. Now select this edge loop and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge loop. Select these blue edge loops and clear the mark sharp. Now select this polygon and press X and delete the face. Now select these two edges and bridge them. Go to polygon selection mode, hold down Alt and select this edge loop. Press Ctrl I to inverse the selection. Press Ctrl I to insert the selected polygons. Now press G and Y to move the polygons on Y axis. Now let's work on the other piece of the TV. Press Shift A and create a plane and align it to view. Go to vertex selection mode and select the vertex and press G and move the vertices like this. Now select all the vertices and press Ctrl Shift B to bevel the vertices. Press I to insert the polygon and press S to scale it down like this. Now press G and Y and move the polygon forward. Now select these outer polygon loops and press Alt E and extrude the faces on normals. Select this border edge loop and press G and Y and move the edge loop on Y axis. Now press Shift A and create a cylinder. Keep the vertices count to 18 and align it to view. Press S and Y to squeeze the cylinder on Y axis. Now press Ctrl A and reset the transformations. Select the top polygon and press Ctrl B to bevel the polygon. Select the top polygon again and press Alt E and extrude the polygon on its normal. Go to Object Mode and press Shift D to duplicate the object. Now select this object, go to Edit Mode and select this face. Press Shift S and select Cursor to Selected. Now go to Object Mode and press Shift A and create a cube. Press S and X to scale the cube on X axis only. Now press G and Y and move it like this. Select the side polygon and scale it up. Go back to Object Mode and press R and rotate the object like this. In the Object Mode, press Shift D and duplicate the object. Now select the object, press Ctrl R to add an edge loop, press G and Y and move the edge like this. Now select the edge loop and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge loop. Go to Object Mode and press Ctrl A and reset the transformations. Now go back to Edit Mode and select these two edges and press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Delete this duplicate object and select this one and press Shift D again and duplicate the object again. Select the duplicate object, press right mouse button and set origin to geometry. Now press R and rotate the object like this. Now select this object, go to Edit Mode and select this border area edge loop. Go to Side View by pressing 3. Now press E and Y to extrude the polygon on Y axis. Press F to fill the empty area with the single polygon. Now go to Back View and select the polygon and press I to insert the polygon like this and then press S to scale it down. Press Alt E to extrude the face along their normal. Now press Shift A again and create a plane, align it to view, move it here and hide it everything. Scale it down like this. Go to edit mode and select the vertices and move it like this. Now select the vertex and press Ctrl Shift B to bevel the vertices like this. Now go to polygon selection mode and select the polygon and insert it like this and press S and scale it down like this. Now select these edges and place it properly. Now go to polygon selection mode and select this polygon, press Alt E and extrude it on its normal. Now go to S selection mode and select this border area edge loop. Go back to back view and press E and S and extrude the polygon like this. Now add a cut here. Go to edge selection mode and select this edge loop and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge loop. Now select this border area edge loop and press G and Y and move it like this. Go to side view and move the mesh like this. Unhide all the objects. I hope you liked the first part of this tutorial. In the second part, we will continue modeling. Please share your thoughts in the comment box. I will meet you in the second part of this modeling process. Till then, keep practicing.